It is amazing to think about the tunnel being fully operational. It is not only a huge feat on the engineering side, but it's been a huge feat for all of the people in Indianapolis.
Citizens Energy Group is digging a massive tunnel system.
Now take a look at these massive tunnels. They're being constructed right now, more than 200 feet under the ground.
One of the biggest civil works projects in our city's history.
We're talking about the DigIndy Tunnel System.
The DigIndy Tunnel System is a network of deep rock tunnels constructed 250 feet beneath Indianapolis to capture and treat combined sewer overflows, keeping the city in compliance with the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's Clean Water Act.
Indianapolis was founded on the White River because we thought it was navigable. And once we discovered that it was not indeed navigable, we really turned our back on it and we turned it into a sewer.
You could see that there were raw sewage being dumped into Fall Creek. Actually more than 5 billion, that's billion with a B, gallons of sewage ends up in our waterways in the Indianapolis area every year.
That's how most of the cities in the Midwest were designed. But we're waking up. We're starting to understand these incredible assets and these resources and what they can give to us if we just take care of them.
In Indianapolis, we have a combined sewer system. Sewage goes into a pipe in the street that then goes to be treated and cleaned. As Indianapolis grew, we kind of ran out of space. So every time it rains, there's way too much water to fit into the sanitary sewer pipes. And so there's sewage that is discharged into our waterways.
On average, there's about 5 to 6 billion gallons of sewage that is released into the river system each year. When this project is done, we'll capture close to 97 to 99% of all of that flow.
The tunnel is important because we take that flow and instead of it going to the river, most of it will then go to the tunnel system that will go to our treatment plant and be treated, and clean water is then discharged back into the river.
Crews say they are on track to wrap up work in 2025.
So this project started 30 years ago. It is a $2 billion project, and we started construction on this project in January of 2012.
So we built the entire program underground. Knowing that we had the right machine and the right folks, we were able to excavate in a very rapid and expeditious manner.
We collaborated with citizens to build the tunnel faster, more efficiently, set off a chain of events of building a successful project.
Everything in this tunnel, all the people and all the equipment is meant to support this. This is the cutter head. It's more than 20 feet high, and when it gets moving, it goes 9 revolutions per minute with 39 cutter blades like this one to dig a hole through solid rock 250 feet below Indianapolis.
The Statue of Liberty is 250 feet. 18-foot diameter is the size of a giraffe. 28 miles is from Sheridan, Indiana, down to Indianapolis. So this is a long tunnel system. It's a big tunnel system, and it's very, very deep underground.
What you see here, we have about 28.6 miles of total tunnel.
6 tunnels in all, about 20 feet wide, capable of holding 270 million gallons of sewage each time it rains.
DigIndy has to date prevented more than 7 billion gallons of sewage from entering local waterways. Now fully engaged, the DigIndy tunnel system will divert at least 95% of all overflows away from nearby waterways and into citizens' facilities for treatment and safe release.
Those rivers are part of our water supply system, so it's very important for us to clean up the rivers and make them forever resilient for our water supply system and restore the natural beauty to those rivers.
The river is a place that people can go out and enjoy, and citizens' investment in helping restore it really is a community-driven emphasis.
And that's why the project has taken on a life beyond a construction project. Its legacy will include the introduction or continuation of deeply impactful, multifaceted community projects bringing associated benefits to Indianapolis waterways and adjacent neighborhoods.
The 10,000 Trees project is a really unique solution to improving waterways by planting 10,000 trees throughout Indianapolis. So that's storing about 1 million gallons of rainwater every time it rains, reducing the amount of overflow.
Where the DigIndy tunnel system will help improve our waterways, the Indianapolis Art Project enhances our community with art.
I think it's important that Citizens Energy Group supports art projects like this because it shares kind of the stories of our neighborhoods and the people who live in the city.
What I'm most proud of in this project is the people. We have amazing people who have worked on this project for decades.
Hundreds of people have put so much work into this project in order to make Indianapolis cleaner, more fun to be around.
Water quality is better than it's been in half a century.
A cleaner and healthier river lined by beautiful riverfront parks. It unlocks the potential for all of that to become really the centerpiece of Central Indiana.
And it's amazing that we had the partnership with our contractors, that we had the employees put all of their energy behind it, and that we completed this project on time and under budget.
In Indianapolis, it's another fine example of how people and organizations come from multiple sectors to say, this is the way forward. It is a priority for all of us. We are willing to collaborate, and we will work for decades to get it completed for the community.